Hello all and welcome back to Sudarshan Tech channel. In this video we are going to learn how to create a basic tree using the already having add-ons in the Blender. So let's get started. So now you can see I have deleted my all the objects from the viewport such as the cube, light source and the camera source. Now I want to just create a 3D tree in the Blender. So to do that, it's very easy in the Blender. Just go into the add menu, or you can just press shift plus A, and in the add menu, just you can see there are different mm, buttons over here. Just click on the curve, and in the curve click on the sapling tree generation. So this is the add-on, so you can get basic tree directly in the blender. So you can see the tree just has its branches and the trunk but does not have any leaves, etc. So to get the leaves and more realistic tree, just click here on the sapling and the menu will be just pop up, and you can now see now I have the bevel resolution to 1. If I click the 2, you can see the tree will be get changed in the different changes will be happening in our tree. So again, now you can see the this is the handle type, the shape. Then you can see there are different shape of the trees. So if I click on the spherical, the tree will be just like a spherical one. Then if I want the conical tree, so these are different kinds of the trees. If you want to change the look of the tree, you can just click over here and just get the different look of the tree. So again, now you can see here the branch distribution. So now the branch distribution is set to 1.5. If we change it, you can see the our tree also get changed. So it will be more branch will be have the more distribution in our branches. Again, the here you can see the branch ring. So right now it's at the 0. So now if you click on 1 to 2, so now our branches will be get split up into the different branches. Like you can see here, we have the two branches right now. So this is the one and this is the two. So every branch has the two branches. So again set to the 1. Now you can see the branch is only 1. So now uh, to add some leaves, now we are in the geometry tab. Just go into the this is the different buttons to change the properties of the tree, the branch radius, the branch splitting. Then you can split the branches. So you can see the lot of different menus. You can model a different tree by using this menu. So again I am just going to the leaves menu, and so now it has 150 leaves on this plant. So now I just increase it, and so click on the show leaves, and you can see the leaves of our tree is being shown now. So these are the basic you can also change the shape of the leaves by click on the rectangular, duple faces and duple words. So now we are clicking on the hexagonal leaves. So the leaves are hexagonal now. So in this way you can create the some basic tree using or the plant using the blender without much any working blender experience. So if you want to learn more about the blender, please stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.